Welcome back. We are looking at sunshine as we start our day. That's going to help dry out some of the wet roads left behind from last night. But the showers and storms are expected to return once again this afternoon as low pressure activity remains in the region. So starting out around noon to 1 p.m., we'll see the development of some scattered showers pass right through the valley from west to east. By the time we hit 5 p.m., could see some stronger thunderstorms develop. Looks like one could potentially pop up right towards East Las Vegas. Now into the higher elevations as well, Spring Mountains and Sheep Range overnight. This is 12 a.m. continuing to see cloud cover and stronger storms. When those storms do develop, remember, we're going to see those gusty outflow winds. Thursday afternoon continuing to track a chance of rain. It's about a 20% chance for Thursday and anywhere from 30 to 50% chance for the valley tonight. Now we do have a flood watch in effect for Clark County, so keep that in mind as you are planning your day. Turn around, don't drown. If you do come across a flooded street, it is best not to test your luck. And we do have that watch in effect as these showers are expected to continue to drop a lot of moisture in certain places. Now, right now, that expected total is variable, anything from around 1/10 of an inch to maybe a couple quarters of an inch. Mount Charleston might see even stronger precipitation totals by the afternoon hours. But in general, we're looking at a warming pattern as we get through these next couple of active weather days. Triple-digit temperatures are ahead. Not today, though. We're going to be in the mid-90s. Right now, 74 towards Las Vegas, 78 towards Laughlin. By the time we hit 9 a.m., we'll be into those low 80s, upper 80s by 11 a.m. And then into the afternoon hours, you can get ready for that active weather and those temperatures to reach the 90s. Quick look at your 7-day forecast shows, again, triple digits by the time we hit Saturday, and we're looking to stay there all the way through Tuesday.